In this video, I'll show you how to stop receiving activity reports for your child in Epic Games, step by step. This is a simple setting change that can help reduce unwanted emails and keep your inbox cleaner. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Epic Games in your browser and sign into the account that manages the parental controls. Once you're logged in, go to the profile menu at the top of the page and click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings. From there, look for Parental Controls and click on it. Epic Games will ask for your parental control code, so go ahead and type that in to continue. After you enter the code, you'll be taken to the parental settings area where you can manage different preferences for the child account. Now find the email preferences section and click on it. Here, you should see an option that says, I would like to receive activity reports on my child's account changes. If you no longer want these reports, toggle that option off. Once you do that, look for the unsubscribe option and click it to confirm the change. This step makes sure Epic Games stops sending those activity report emails to your account. After that, your preference should be updated and you're all set. That's it. You've now successfully stopped receiving activity reports for your child's Epic Games account. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.